Good evening. In today's session, we'll discuss about the bookmarks. So, bookmarks basically are used to implement drill through. It used to move or it used to navigate from one place to another place within the same report. Bookmark is used to navigate from one part of the report to another part of the report. So, we will try to design some report in this way. I am having a report with multiple pages, for example 3 pages. The page 1 is consisting of products information, page 2 is consisting regions, and page 3 is consisting time based information. Now, if you observe in the first page, I am having some 3 tabs: products, regions, and times. Now, if I click on products, it should show me the products page. If you click on regions, it should move to regions page. If you click on times, it should come to time page. But whenever you click on back button, it should come back to first page, to the home page. Like this, we'll try to design the report. So, nothing but working with multiple objects in a report, but each one is in a separate page with some sort of tab options. So, we'll try to design this. Create a new report. Reports, add new item, report, bookmark. Click on add, and here as per this example we need 3 data sets. 3 data sets are required. So, we will try to design the data sets first of all. So, I am going with the data source, right click on data sources, add data source, provide some data source name like ds underscore sales, edit, server name is Ramesh PC, database name is source, test connection, we will choose the database as sales DB, where I am having products and all those things here. So, I am choosing sales DB, click on test connection, OK, then data sets, add data set. So, I am creating a data set on the name called as in products, use a data set embedded in my report, ds underscore sales, query designer, add, first of all products and sales I am choosing, add, close, select the contents like a category, subcategory, and amount sold. Amount sold will implement aggregation, sum of amount sold as amount sold. As we are using aggregation function, we should say group by category and subcategory. Group by category and subcategory, click on OK. Some problem is there, unable to parse query text. Just we will try to design the query once again. Query designer, add the tables like products and sales, close, category, subcategory, amount sold, sum of amount sold as amount sold, group by, the fields are like category and subcategory, category and subcategory, click on OK, click on OK. The first data set is ready. Similarly, we will create the second data set. So, perform right click on the data sets, add data set, provide the name like a dset underscore region. Use a data set embedded in my report. Data source is ds underscore sales, query designer, add, so I am choosing countries, customers and sales, add and close. From the countries table I am choosing region, sub-region. From the sales table I am choosing amount sold. Specify as sum function, sum of amount sold, as amount sold, group by, region, sub-region. Click on OK. Click on OK. Second data set is ready. We will go with the third one. Add data set, dset underscore times. Use a data set in my embedded in my report. Data source is ds underscore sales. Query designer is, add the table like sales and times. Click on add and close. In the times table I am selecting the fields like calendar year, calendar quarter description and sales amount. For sales amount we will apply the aggregation, sum of amount sold, as amount sold, group by, calendar year and calendar quarter description. Click on OK. Click on OK. So 3 data sets are ready. Next thing, we have to design the layout. So first of all, I will try to take the page 1 related thing. Right now it is a single report, single location, you have to do all the things, but at the execution time the pages will be different. So I am adding 3 text boxes, insert text box, insert text box, insert text box. 3 text boxes I added here. All these 3 text boxes I am selecting. I am going to the background color or fonts, bold characters, italic characters, underlined characters, and I am specifying size is about 12, and the foreground color I will apply as in white, but before that, okay fine, I will apply as in foreground color is white. Then I am selecting individual objects. Background color for the first one is red, for the second one is I am specifying as in blue, and for the third one I am specifying as in green. And on the first one I am trying to write some content called as in products. Some text message. On the second one I am writing something called as in regions, and third one I am writing something called as in times. Once again I am selecting all the 3 objects, and I will say alignment is center. If required, increase the fonts, maybe as in 14. and I'll group all these three elements. First element, second element, third element. I'm performing right click. So I'm saying as in fine, I'll keep this as it is. Now below of that we need to have a table. We need to have a table which is showing the products related data. So first of all, I'm adding on text field, insert text box. I'm giving some description here by specifying product based sales, some description. Product based sales, I am making as a center alignment, bold characters. And the size is about, for example, 14. Some color, foreground color. And below of that I am adding a table, insert table. And in this table I am specifying category under the row groups, subcategory under the row groups, amount sold as the another cell of table, category, subcategory and amount sold. Up to here we'll save it and we'll execute it, preview. So we are getting in this format, product based sales, so on so information. Now below of that I want to have one text box. So I'm saying insert text box, and this text box I'm filling the background as white color, background as black. Size is bold characters, size is about 14, alignment is center, and what is that means, I'll say back. So the first part is completed. Next we need to design the other things. I am copying this entire text box as it is and I am pasting it. And I'll change the description here as region based sales. Region based sales. Maybe with the blue color I am representing this. And below of that I'll try to take a table, insert a table. And we'll add the fields like region onto the row groups, sub-region onto the row groups, amount sold onto the table cell, remove the remaining table cells. So region, sub-region, amount sold. And we need to have a back button. So I am placing a text box with foreground color is white, background is black, size is about 14, bold characters, and it is a center alignment. Message called as in back. Same way, I am trying to have one more text box, insert text box. and this text box I am giving a message as time based sales, center alignment, bold characters, size about 14, bold characters, size is about 14, color is green color for example. Now below of that I need a table, so right click, insert, table, and add the fields here, calendar year row groups, calendar quote description under the row groups, amount sold under the table, remove the remaining cells. So calendar year, calendar quarter description, amount sold. And below of that we need to have a back button. So I am trying to place one more text box, like insert, text box, and this text box, bold characters, size is 14, foreground is white color, background color is black, and alignment is center alignment, message is back. So save it, run the report up to here, preview. Some text field color is saying it is not valid, text box 15, so text box 15, so it is saying this color is not valid. Maybe I will remove this object and add it once again. We'll up to here, we'll save it, otherwise save, preview. But I think text box 27 also it is not accepting. 27, we'll add these text boxes once again. I'll say insert, view box, toolbox, text box, we'll put it here. Message is, I'll say center alignment with the back, and foreground color for this object, background color will say as in black, foreground as white, and bold characters, size is about for example 12. Save this, preview. Fine, now it is accepted. Same way for other things also we'll try to create it. It is for region based sales we are having. Same way I need to have a text box here also, insert, text box, background color is black, foreground is white, center alignment, bold characters, size is about 12, message is back. We'll save up to here, file menu, save all, preview, even that is accepted. So two backs are there. Now we need the third one. So third one is under time based sales. Right click, insert, text box, and this I am giving a message with the center alignment called as in back. I am selecting the object, bold characters, size is about 12, background color is black, foreground color is white. File menu, save all, preview. So all the things are executed successfully. Now everything is came here, but my requirement is I don't want to display all these report objects directly. Whenever you click each one, product based sales should be in one page, region should be in another page, time should be in another page. For that purpose, what I am trying to do is, I am selecting the first back button, I am performing right click on that, I am going with something called as in text box properties. Or just I select an object, or I'll go with the second one. Is it coming here? Body properties? No. Text box. So we'll try to place this product based sales, region based sales and time based sales in different pages. But to add the page break on the table, you can add it by choosing TableX properties by saying add page break before or after. But right now here I need to have three things under the page. One is text box, table and other text box, three things. On these text boxes we doesn't have any option to apply the page break. So what I'll try to do means I'm adding a rectangle. Right click, insert a rectangle. I'm trying to take one rectangle. Now first of all I'll move these three things: product based sales, table what you're having, total three objects I'm having. These three objects I'm moving into this rectangle. I moved all these three objects into a rectangle. Same way I'll try to do for the remaining parts also. So the first one we got as a rectangle. Same way I'm trying to add one more rectangle. Right click, insert a rectangle. Into the second rectangle I'll add the second table. Text box, back text box. All the three things I'm putting into the second rectangle. So it is a first rectangle. And this is my second rectangle. We'll try to take one more rectangle. Right click, insert a rectangle. Initially itself you need to create this, but as we have missed it, now we are trying to move this all the fields into this place. Second, select the table, select the text box, select the three components, move into this rectangle. But now it is not moved it properly. I'll undo it. Edit, undo. We'll try to do it once again. This is the table, text box, text box. These three things into this rectangle. Now totally three rectangles are there. First rectangle is consisting product based sales with list box and back button. Next we will try to have the second rectangle. This is the second rectangle. This rectangle is consisting one text box, region based sales. It is a region based sales. Below of that we are having a table, and there is a back button. Then we are having a third rectangle, with a text box for showing a message called as a time based sales, and a table to display the data, and there is a back button. We will reduce the size of this rectangle. Totally these are three things you are having. We will save this, we will execute up to here, preview. So, product based sales, region based sales, and time based sales, but time based sales the message is not there, maybe somewhere that is missed out. Preview, time based sales, and its related information is there. Fine, all the three things are came. Now what I'll try to do is, I'm taking the first rectangle, right click, rectangle properties, and I'm saying add a page break after. After displaying the first rectangle, I'm asking to put a page break. Same way for the second rectangle also I'm selecting, I'll say rectangle properties, add a page break after, then save it, preview the report. So it is a first page, what we are having is product based information and back. I am saying as click on the second next page, so you got the region based details. Click on the next page, you are having time based sales. So in different pages you are having this information. Now I want to, whenever I click on products, it should show me the products. If I click on regions, the control should go to the regions directly. How do you move this? Means for all these components I will give some bookmarks, like product based sales. This text field is there, I will select this text field, come to its properties. In the properties there is a property called as bookmark. There is a property called as a bookmark, give some name for that. For example, I am giving the bookmark called as an PROD, some name. Same way for region based sales, even for that I am giving some bookmark called as an RAG. And for time based sales also I am giving some bookmark called as an time. Three bookmarks I specified here. Now whenever I click on products, the control should go to the first text field, products based sales message, where is there, to that one. Already I gave some bookmark for that, so we will try to navigate to that location. How means, perform right click on this first text box called as a products, go to text box properties, go to an option called as an action. In action there is something called as a go to bookmark, choose that option. What is the bookmark name? I gave the name called as an PROD, so I will specify that PROD, click on OK. Same way on the regions, perform right click, text box properties, action, go to bookmark, and the bookmark name is REG. What are the bookmarks? Already I gave those bookmark names, I am specifying here. Click on OK. And for the third one, perform right click, text box properties, action, go to bookmark, third one is time. Click on OK, save the report, preview the report. So, for example, products, already I have written the products. For example, I am clicking on the regions, it's went for the regions. If you click on times, it came for the times. So, which are the option you are clicking, it is going to that particular location. So, if you say times, it is going to the time. Now, if I click on back button, it should come back to the home page. For that purpose, what I am trying to do is, for this first text field, what is the products is there, for this products text field, I will give some name, bookmark name. So, I am going to its bookmark property and I will give the name as, for example, home. And whenever you click on the back button, it should go to the home. So, on this back button, perform right click, text box properties, action, go to bookmark and I will say home. So, same thing will apply for all the three back contents. Second back, text box properties, action, go to bookmark and type as home. Same way for the third one, back, perform right click, text box properties, action, go to bookmark, type the value as home. Save the report, preview the report. So, for example, products, you are in the products area, it is showing the output, and if you have back button is there here, just click on that, it goes back to the original place. If you click on the regions, back, times, if you click on back, it goes to the home place. So, something like this. So, like this you are able to navigate from one place to another place with the help of bookmark. Each object is present in a separate table, but still we are able to move directly just by clicking on these particular text boxes. We will deploy this report to the server side and we will observe how it is functioning. So, this report is bookmark.rdl. I will say right click, deploy. So, we will open client URL or maybe admin URL, anything, http://rameshpc:80/report server, press the enter key. So, it is saying deploy started. So, this is the page we got it, SSRS project. So, we will observe whether that is complete. It is saying deploy is succeeded. So, come to our home page, SSRS project, bookmark report, just click on that. So, the report is in this particular format. So, if you click on regions, it is went for the region based sales, back, it came to here, times, it came to the time based sales, click on back, it is going to the home page. If you say products within the same page, it will wait. So with the help of bookmark, we are able to navigate from one part of the report to another part of the report. So this is what bookmark.